Hi everyone, my name is Susan. I'm from Onolicious, or better known as Auntie Ono. Today I'm going to make you my famous Korean garlic chicken. So everybody, this is our ingredients. We have, of course, Aloha Shoyu. We have sesame seed oil. We have red chili flakes, minced garlic, and green onions. You're also going to need sugar and cornstarch and flour. So the first thing you do is get half a cup of sugar. Then you get a half a cup of Aloha Shoyu. Tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. And then I'm going to take this ingredients and blend it all up. We leave that to the side. We take a half a cup of flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, and salt and pepper to taste. I usually use about a teaspoon of each. You can use the same recipe to coat your chicken wings, chicken breast, or chicken thighs. I prefer chicken thighs for one thing. It absorbs the shoyu better, okay? So the marinade. I usually take a chicken thigh and I cut it up so that way it's easier to marinate the whole thing. Take your flour compound and put your chicken inside. Okay, and coat it really well. Put the pieces of chicken thighs into the oil. I usually slice it this way so that way it cooks a little faster. You can eat. You know, us Hawaiians don't want to wait for our food. We want to eat right now. So this way it won't cook so long. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Nice brown. Then we remove it. Okay, while we wait for the rest of the chicken to cook, we have some here already. Place it into the marinade, like so. Final touch, a 1/4 cup of sesame oil. And then you just swish this around, like so. And it's ready to be served. Just like this. Quick, easy, fast, and scrumptious. Don't forget the rice. What's even better is to take some of the marinade and just drizzle it over the rice, like so. That's why you don't put raw chicken in this marinade. Use it for your final dish. And this is how you make Korean garlic chicken. Very simple, very quick. To make a vegan dish for one of my events, and this is what I came up with. So you can use it as stir fry. You can put it on a bed of rice. So you serve the two together, and you got vegetables and chicken. Mahalo!
Mahalo.